Hello, everybody. Happy Wednesday. Yay, it's the middle of the week. That means we have 2 more days after today. It is Wednesday, April 29th. Danny studied all night for his big math test. It was a very important test and he wanted to do well. When the teacher handed out the test, Danny became nervous. His hand was shaking and he could barely write his name. How does Danny feel? Happy, angry, or nervous? What can Danny do to feel better? Scream, take a deep breath, fall asleep, or run away. So when y'all answer this, make sure you realize that Danny's already in class. He has his test. What should he do? Okay, make sure you log into Canvas and do your work. Have a great day.